we're late. David, wake up! We overslept!
What time is it? 7:30?
Our flight is at 10.
10?
10?
Oh, no. Okay. Let's move.
Anna, Peter, wake up! Time to go!
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica!
Costa Rica, jungle and monkeys.
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course.
No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat. Only that. What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes, too. Maybe he's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still comb time.
Hey, checklist. Passports check. Tickets check. Snacks check. Chargers double check. Perfect. We're ready.
Wait, my monkey toy again. Where did you put it?
On the couch. Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.
Good morning. Going to the airport.
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
All right, hop in. Okay, everyone. Seatbelts on.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Really? This will be your first flight?
Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones like toy bathrooms.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we're in the sky. Oh, traffic. Please move. Cars, please move.
Relax. We have time. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
No phone. Impossible. Okay, maybe one phone just for pictures.
And ice cream. We must eat ice cream there. Deal.
Ice cream every day.
Yay! You're gonna love it there.
Costa Rica is amazing. So green and full of life.
You've been there.
Yes, twice. The rainforest is beautiful. Just don't forget mosquito spray.
Oh no, David. Did you pack the spray?
Maybe. Maybe I'll buy one at the airport.
Okay, don't worry.
Don't worry. Got them right here.
Okay, but no maybe for the passports, please.
Mom, look! Airplanes! I can see them!
Finally, we made it. Here we are, Terminal 3.
Thank you. Have a great trip, folks.
We will. Okay, explorers, let's find our gate.
And maybe a snack, and maybe a souvenir.
Let's go before we have another maybe. Costa Rica, here we come.
And maybe we'll actually make it on time. Wow, look at all these people.
Yeah, the airport's always busy in the morning.
It feels like a big mall. I see airplanes, real ones.
Yes, sweetie. That's where we're going soon. But first, check-in time. Let's find the airline counter.
There, over there. Gate B, line for Costa Rica. Perfect.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
We give passports and get our boarding passes.
And then we go to the airplane.
Almost.
After check-in, we go through security.
What's security?
They check bags for dangerous toy swords.
Exactly. So, no toy swords today.
Okay, but I have a toy car.
That's fine. Cars are safe.
Good morning. Where are you flying today? Good morning. We're flying to San Jose. Great. May I have your passports, please? Here you go, 4 passports. Thank you.
Any checked luggage?
Yes, these 2 big suitcases.
Let's see. This might be over. Let's see. 24 kilograms. That's fine.
Oh, good. I thought it was heavier.
Gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom.
What's a boarding pass?
It shows your seat and gate number.
Without it, you can't get on the plane.
Oh, like a ticket to the sky. Exactly. Mine says window seat. What's that?
You can sit and see the clouds.
Yes, I want to see the clouds.
Oh no, look at this line.
Don't worry, it moves fast.
Why do we take off our shoes?
For security, they check everything carefully, even shoes.
Even shoes.
Safety first.
Remove watches, belts, coins.
Oh, right. My earrings, too.
No, that's fine.
Look, I'm flying already.
Save that energy for the real flight, buddy.
Finally, we can sit down. Coffee time.
Definitely. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please. French fries.
1 sandwich, 1 fries. Coming up.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom.
These fries are so good. Careful. Don't spill on your shirt.
Attention passengers, flight 724 is boarding.
That's us. Time to go.
Quick, grab your bags.
I'm ready. Let's fly.
Here are our passes for Gate 22.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Wow, it's so big inside.
Welcome aboard. Find your seats, please.
Look, my window seat.
Yes, honey. You can see everything.
Buckle up, everyone. Safety first.
Click, like a race car. Here we go. We're moving. Bye-bye, airport. Look, we're flying. Higher, higher.
Look at the houses. They're like toys.
It's like a sea of cotton candy. I want to jump on them.
Juice or water for our little travelers?
Orange juice, please.
Apple juice for me, thank you.
They have cartoons.
And games, too. I'm gonna play this one. Look, Anna. The sky is changing colors.
It looks like magic, Mom.
Wow. Look at all the stars on the ground.
Those are city lights, Peter. We're almost there. Smooth landing. Well done, Captain.
We're here. We're finally here.
Don't forget your dinosaur backpack, Peter.
Got it. And Anna's bag, too. Thank you for flying with us.
Thank you.
Goodbye. I see it. The red one with the ribbon.
Good eye, Peter. Here it comes.
We made it! Welcome to our holiday! Yay!
Let's go.